Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are back to the new video. Tiger, with its striking orange coat adorned with dark stripes, is a majestic and powerful apex predator of the wild. Its stealth and strength make it a symbol of both beauty and ferocity in the animal kingdom. Horse, with their grace and strength, have been vital companions in human history, facilitating transportation, agriculture, and sports. Their bond with humans extends beyond utility, forging deep connections that celebrate the majestic spirit of these magnificent creatures. Cows, gentle and domesticated herbivores, have played a crucial role in human agriculture, providing milk, meat, and labor for centuries. Their placid demeanor and iconic appearance make them not only essential for sustenance but also integral to cultural and economic practices worldwide. Chicken, domesticated for centuries, are ubiquitous farm birds valued for their eggs and meat, contributing to global food security. These clucking creatures come in various breeds, showcasing a wide array of feather patterns and colors, while also serving as pets and educational subjects in backyard co-ops and classrooms. Lion, often called the king of the jungle, is a regal and formidable big cat known for its majestic mane and commanding presence in the African savanna. These social creatures exhibit a strong sense of community within their prides and are celebrated for their courage and prowess as apex predators. Hippopotamus, with its massive body and barrel-shaped form, is a semi-aquatic behemoth known for its deceptive speed and territorial nature. Despite their lumbering appearance, hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa than many other large animals, underscoring their potential danger. Duck, with their distinctive waddling gait and quacking calls, are versatile waterfowl found in a variety of habitats, from tranquil ponds to bustling urban parks. Their webbed feet and waterproof feathers make them adept swimmers, while their charming antics bring joy to observers of all ages. Wolves, renowned for their intelligence and pack dynamics, are apex predators that roam diverse ecosystems around the world. Their haunting howls and keen hunting skills exemplify their adaptability and crucial role in maintaining ecological balance. Rhinoceros, with their massive horned heads and thick hides, are magnificent yet critically endangered creatures, symbolizing the urgent need for conservation efforts. These gentle giants are vital to their ecosystems and serve as a poignant reminder of the ongoing battle against poaching and habitat loss. Leopard, known for their stunning spotted coats and elusive nature, are stealthy hunters that thrive across a range of habitats. Their adaptability and solitary hunting prowess make them one of the most enigmatic and captivating big cats in the wild. Giraffe, with its towering neck and distinctive spotted coat, stands as the world's tallest land animal, gracefully browsing treetops for leaves. Their unique appearance and gentle demeanor make them a captivating symbol of the African savanna. Bear, powerful and versatile creatures, inhabit a wide range of environments, from forests to tundra, embodying strength and resilience. These omnivorous giants hibernate through harsh winters and are revered in cultures worldwide for their fascinating behavior and symbolism. Elephant, with their immense size and remarkable intelligence, are emblematic of grace and wisdom in the animal kingdom. Their complex social structures and deep emotional connections among family members highlight their extraordinary nature. Deer, with their graceful and agile forms, symbolize the serene beauty of the forest, often seen peacefully grazing in natural habitat. They exemplify the delicate balance of prey and predator in ecosystems while captivating observers with their elegance. Panda, with their iconic black and white fur, are cherished symbols of conservation efforts and represent the fragile beauty of endangered wildlife. These endearing bears are known for their bamboo diet and gentle demeanor, captivating people worldwide. Zebra, with their striking black and white stripes, epitomize nature's dazzling design while thriving in the grasslands of Africa. Their distinctive coats also serve as a form of camouflage and social signaling.